Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be doing the unboxing of the Blue Snowball Ice, which is the best beginners microphone for YouTubers, starter YouTubers, and this comes for a price of only 5,000 rupees. So let's take a look at the microphone and take some audio samples, and let's just get started. So let's take a look at the box. At the front we have the picture of the mic itself with the stand and the branding of Blue Snowball, and we can see it is Skype certified and it is Discord certified too. At the right hand side we get they have shown the box components, and at the back some features, and at the right hand side again the picture of the Blue Snowball. So now let me open the box and show you the box contents.
A few moments later.
So this is how the box opens. This is the mic, and we have another box.
One eternity later.
Coming to open the box. So this has the microphone, and this was another box which has the microphone stand and all. Let me keep this at the side. And this is the microphone. You can see the blue branding. This is a pretty heavy, and this is the place for the mounts or the stand given in the box itself. In the other box we have a quick start guide, some more paperwork, a stand which is of pretty good quality, and a cable. So in wired microphones, cable plays an important role, and this is a pretty good cable from type B to USB. So this is all we get in the box. This is the microphone, the stand, and the cable. Now let me put the mic stand and the mic together. So this is how the Blue Snowball looks like. So previously I was using this microphone. This is the BM800 microphone. It's basically a local microphone, and this was from XLR to a 3.5mm jack, but this microphone had started giving me problems, so I had to get a new one. And everyone knows that audio plays a very important role in video. So if you don't get good audio in a video, you'll actually going to leave the video, like you don't even watch the video. So audio plays a really important role in videos, so I had to get a new microphone. Now let's do some voice samples from this one. So I've connected the Blue Snowball microphone via the cable given in the box with my laptop, and you can see the audio input here is via the Blue Snowball microphone. So the audio now you are listening was through the inbuilt microphone was in my phone, which is a Samsung A50s, and now the audio you're hearing is coming from the Blue Snowball microphone, and I hope you can observe the difference between both the audios. But in my case I'll not be using the mic on this tripod, because there is not much space where I can keep the tripod after I keep the laptop on my table. Let me show you. So I'll be keeping the mic like this on the boom pole which I had received with my previous mic which I was using. So yeah, this is how it looks. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed if you have watched the video till here, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Thanks for watching.